Hey you guys, today's video will be a review and tutorial on this unit. So if you like her, keep watching for more details. So this wig is from Sensationell. Her name is Chrissy. She is from the What Lace collection. She is a bob wig. I got her in the number T47/27613. She has 2 combs in the front and 1 comb in the back. Okay, so I went ahead and threw my stocking cap on. Next, I gel my edges down. I use the monkey snot gel. You can use whatever gel suits your fancy, whatever gel you want. Now I'm ready to cut the lace. So I put the wig on my head, and you guys, this is the first time I ever cut the lace off a wig while it was on my head. This was a no-go for me. I did not like this method at all, but I'm going to show you what I did just in case you guys want to try for yourself. I'm going to have to try another method. After adjusting the hair to exactly where I would like it to lay on my head, I clip the hair away from my face. Then I grab my razor and I cut as closely as I can to the hairline. I was sweating bullets. I was so scared I was going to cut a little bit of my hair. This is why this method was not good for me. I even switched to some scissors, and still, it just was too close for me. I don't know if I can do this. Is cut off, I make the lace match my skin complexion a little bit better because as you can see it's a little light. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Press powder to alter the color of my lace. I'm taking the powder and pressing it into the lace. I use the color 355. Okay, so now that me and Miss Chrissy are on the same page, I add my adhesive. I am using the Got To Be spray as my adhesive. I just spray that on my forehead. Of course, I have already wiped with a little bit of alcohol to make sure that the hairspray sticks very nicely. And then I just use my blow dryer on a cool setting to help it get a little tacky. I do this 2 times, so I do 2 layers of this. Thank God for my big forehead, y'all. Whoever knew that having a big forehead would serve me well. And it served me pretty well. I got plenty of space to put this wig. You know, if I had a small forehead, I wouldn't be able to do that. But thank God for the big foreheads. One time for the big forehead. Now that my adhesive is on, I'm ready to melt the lace. So I put the wig back on and then I clip the hair away from my face. Next, I guide the wig to lay right on top of that adhesive, aka Got To Be spray. So I just put the wig right on top of that spray. And then using my comb, I just use the back of the comb to press the wig into the spray. You can use your dryer on the cool setting to help melt the lace. I am not good at doing the sides of my head just because my hairline is really wonky on the side, so I'm still learning how to do it. I also need to go back and cut out the ears a little bit better because I feel like I could have done a better job with that. But I blame this on trying to cut it while the wig was on my head. I don't think that works for me. I can try it again. Maybe it's just a learning curve. I don't know. What I do like about this wig so far is the color. I feel like it looks really good on me. It's very natural looking. The roots aren't jet black. They go from like a number 4, a dark brown, to a nice platinum blonde, and that really suits me very well. Continuing on, I clip my hair up, and I'm just going to tie my hair all up with the satin scarf. Tying your hair with the satin scarf further helps melt the lace and blends the lace into your skin. Now for the moment of truth, I'm checking out how my blend came out. It's okay. The hairline on this unit is amazing though, despite my lack of skills. Okay, so to cover up any damage or mistakes that I've made or the lace, I'm just going to use my Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder, and I'm just further coloring the lace so it matches my skin color. Now it's time for the fun part. Time to style this baby. Ooh, I like it. She is definitely a winner. Very natural hairline, no plucking needed, no baby hairs needed. Kalina approved. Chrissy can be parted any way you wish. She can be parted in the middle, she can be parted to the left or to the right. Chrissy is one of my top picks. I really recommend her. She retails for around $45. You can find her at the website below. What do you guys think about her? I really like her. She's giving me those rich bitch vibes. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. See you guys later.